Judge Fonda B, court is now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Saour versus Moffett.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Saour?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay.
All right, everyone, let's jump into this courtroom drama. The video kicks off with Judge Fonda B presiding over the case of Saour versus Moffett. Ms. Saour is here to request child support from her ex-fiancé, George Moffett, who legally adopted her 9-year-old son Travis during their engagement. But here's the twist. George isn't the biological father, and the couple never got married. The tension is already building. Will George be ordered to pay child support, or does he have a way out? Let's dive into this emotional and legally complex case.
Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid Travis he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid? You adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
Yes, I did. Yes, I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left. And we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Okay.
Miss Saour takes the stand, explaining that while she and George were engaged, he adopted her son Travis. Even though their relationship ended, she believes George should still provide financial support for Travis. George, however, objects. He admits to adopting Travis, but claims he doesn't see the boy much anymore and doesn't earn a lot of money. The courtroom grows tense as George reveals he had a panic attack just before the wedding and walked away. This emotional backstory adds a layer of complexity to the case. Is George trying to avoid responsibility, or is there more to his side? The story?
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail. You know,
okay.
I in this neighborhood actually.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffett, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted...
Mean to him? I mean, what's the... I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
George's defense is all over the place. He starts by talking about delivering mail in the neighborhood and how he's a nice guy. The judge isn't having it and reminds him that, legally, Travis is his son, and he has an obligation to support him. George's panic attacks and emotional struggles come up again, but the judge isn't swayed by his excuses. Miss Saour, however, softens a bit, saying Travis misses George and even asks about him at night. This emotional moment shifts the tone of the case. Is there still love between these two, or is this just about child support?
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and, and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and...
Just when you think this case can't get any more dramatic, the judge suggests something unexpected. Why? Don't you two just get married? George jumps at the idea, revealing he still has the engagement ring. Miss Saour hesitates but eventually agrees. Right there in the courtroom, Judge Fonda B officiates their wedding. The child support case is dismissed because under Texas law, married couples don't pay child support to each other. It's a rare and heartwarming moment in family court, proving that sometimes love can triumph over legal battles.
Get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh, that's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay, yeah,
okay, sure.
Let's, yes.
Okay, Mr. Moffett, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffett to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support.
Okay.
This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
After the impromptu wedding, Judge Fonda B explains the legal reasoning behind the decision. In Texas, when parents are married, child support obligations become obsolete. This case serves as a unique example of how the law can sometimes bring people together rather than tear them apart. The video ends with a call to action, encouraging viewers to share their own stories and subscribe for more courtroom drama. It's a reminder that family court isn't just about legalities. It's about people, relationships, and sometimes unexpected happy endings.